unboxing and review of the Tacvisor done by me. Check it out. Good afternoon, y'all. What's up, man? Lucas here. So I bought a new product yesterday. Right, it's this right, as seen on TV product. Apparently, it's supposed to clear up all the fog and the glare that you get from the snow, from the rain, and things like that, from the glare with the sun, which is my biggest issue. I always have a issue with the glare hitting my face or whatever in the morning time when I'm doing my little deliveries and things like that. So when I seen it yesterday, it was normally $20, $19.99, but it was buy one get one free. So my girl got one, and then I was like, hey, I'm gonna get one also since I'll pay half. So it's $10. So this is it right here. I said $19.99, as seen on TV. Supposed to be good. Let's see. I'm gonna check it out. And obviously, this is how it looks prior without it. You know, that's my tint. It's the regular car. The vehicle is very clear today, so I don't think I'm gonna have any issues. But we'll see on it before and after. So this is obviously before. So then, open it up. See it. I'm pretty sure it's simple. It's pretty simple. So you got a lens test card, wear tackless to see the magic. I don't know what that means, but it says insert, I guess, over this piece right here. Wrong way. Okay. Gonna be a pretty quick install. Exactly, just like that. And then this would be, I guess, the daytime, and that's the nighttime. Very flimsy. I feel like that's gonna break. I would see it. See, this is regular. And this is obviously a tint, which is pretty cool. I guess in the sun is gonna look. I'm gonna have the tint obviously around it, and I'll get that glare. And then this is supposed to be for the nighttime. I guess but like I said, it's of plastic. It feels very flimsy. So it's very cheap. As you can see, it looks clear as shit though. So I'm pretty sure when it comes down to it, it's gonna look great. It looks good, you know. Like I said, I mean, it gets looser after a couple of swings. I guess since it was brand new, but it still is plastic. So you can't expect this to last forever. I mean, unless you only use it when you have to. I don't even think you need to read the instructions. We have a lens test kit. Okay. That's pretty cool. All right, so it says wear tack glasses to see magic, which is obviously this. And you're gonna see it. See the colors change. It goes from silver to full color, silver to full color, which is cool. And then bring the other one down, and it goes silver to full color, silver to full, which is a pretty good tester. It makes sense. But yeah, that's it. I mean, right now, I don't really need it. I could use the daytime one. It definitely is clearer, but I kind of get the reflection of the back window, which is a little weird. But like I said, if it's for sun or if it's for glare only, then this might work perfectly. It doesn't feel uncomfortable. You just got to know what you're actually looking at. But I don't know. I don't think I would drive with that. I'll definitely leave it. I definitely like it. You know, I'm not gonna return it. So I'm definitely gonna keep it. But you will only use this. I'm pretty sure you will only use this when you don't need it. I mean, when you need it, you wouldn't use it if you don't. So see how it is right there. It looks pretty cool. I don't think I'm gonna use it that much, but yeah, there's my little unboxing and review. But you know, mediocre. It feels cheap, but I guess for $10 it's worth it. For $10, no problem. So alright, y'all, that just a little video. You know, I'm driving now with it, and it may seem like you can see, look, you can see the camera and everything, you can see the glare. That's kind of how it looks on my side. But it looks like, it really feels like I'm wearing glasses. Like I'm wearing glasses while I'm driving. It's right in front of me. I can't really hit it, you know. I mean, I could, but it's not like it's bothering me to a point. Like right here, I can see everything right through. You guys can't see me, but it really does clear it up. Now, if I put it straight down, that glare that I see in the back I was telling you about, right? But if I tip it up, I don't see that glare anymore. Which actually, like I said, it feels real comfortable. You know, I'm driving, and it feels like I have glasses on. Very clear. I would love to see it in the snow and the rain, but tune in for the I actually like, it's really like having sunglasses. It's really like having sunglasses. It feels better. It feels clear. You know, you can control it. You can take them on, take them off. It's blurry. It's not blurry, but it has like a dull look to it. And then you put these on, and it becomes clear. You can still see the dull look in the background, but it's not like prominent. You know, it's not something that bothers you. And I guess it's just because of the three different features that you see. You got the clear, then you got the dark tint, and then you got the light tint, which gives you now your options. And obviously, once you get something better, you always feel like you have to live with it, you know. So it's pretty cool. Definitely worth $10. I would say so.